In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create canned responses in Freshdesk, a feature designed to streamline your ticket reply processes by allowing agents to quickly insert pre-written templates. This will not only save you time, but also ensure consistency in the messages you send out. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Freshdesk account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Admin section. Under this, you'll find a category called Agent Productivity. Click on that, and you'll see the option for canned responses. This is the dedicated area where you'll manage all your pre-written templates. Now, if you're someone who likes to keep things organized, there's a handy feature you might appreciate. You can create a folder to keep your responses neatly arranged. Simply click on New Folder, give it a clear and concise name like Refund Replies, and then click Create. This will help you easily locate your canned responses later on. Once you're set with folders, it's time to create your first canned response. If you've made a folder, enter it. If not, you can still create responses outside of folders. Click on New Canned Response, or select the option, and then choose the folder you want it in. Now you'll need to fill in a few details. First, craft a response title that clearly indicates the purpose of this template. This could be something simple like order confirmation or shipping details. Next up is the message body, where you'll write the actual template. This is the content that the agents will use in their replies. But here's a tip to make your responses more personalized. Use the green plus icon you'll see to add placeholders. These are dynamic fields like ticketrequester.name, ticket.id, or FCIS subject that automatically pull relevant data from the ticket to customize each response. This way, even with canned responses, your messages can still feel personal and tailored. Moving on, you'll want to decide on the visibility of your canned response. Freshdesk gives you 3 options for this. If you choose Myself, it means the response is private and only you can access it. If you select All Agents, it becomes visible and usable across the organization, which is excellent for standard responses every agent might need. The third option, Agents in Group, restricts access to specific teams, which is useful for responses that are relevant to particular departments. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review your work. Double-check that you've selected the right folder and visibility settings. Once you're satisfied, hit Save. And there you have it. Your canned response is now created and ready to use. By following these steps, you will have efficiently set up your canned responses in Freshdesk, giving your support agents the tools they need to respond swiftly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.